Hello guys and welcome to Curly Hat. Today I'm teaching you how to put your logo on anything with more realistic way and more 3D way. So most of the time if you want to put your logo, most of the people choose something like this. They just simply drag and drop and put it here. If they want to change their blending option, they change it from here. So just see, it's not look more realistic and honestly it's not look so nice. So let's teach you another way. So let's start, but first let me make a copy to compare it. So I'll make the copy. Yes, here's the copy. Let me delete everything except this logo, turn it off. All you need to do is to resize it like this. I want to put multiple logo with like this. Okay, that's why I'm resizing. If you want to put a one big logo, you can take this random sizing. If you don't take the sizing, it's not matter. So just press Ctrl or Command in Mac, select this. Now press Ctrl plus X to cut it out. Now selecting by this layer, all you need to do is to go filter, vanishing point. On all you need to is to create point. I'll create 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, and simply press Ctrl V to paste the logo here. So here's the logo. Now simply drag and drop. See the magic? It's automatically turned into the 3D image. Now as I told you, I have to put multiple logos, so I put multiple one, and let's give it a more 3D way. I'm just showing you the sample. Do whatever you want to do, guys. It's not an issue. Okay, see, it's simple. As compared to this one looks more realistic. By this technique you can put logo to anywhere. Let's start to put the logo here in front. Okay, so again, simply, as I already we have a copy, I don't need to copy again. So just simply go to filter, vanishing point, zoom it, select this, or just simply press C, create a vanishing point. I'm creating another point like this, and just simply paste it. Put my logo here. So pick one, press Ctrl and T for resizing. So yeah, see. Look guys, it's look more realistic now. If you put something, name on there, so it looks more realistic instead of this logo, but still it looks nice. If you want to change a blending mode, now whatever you want to do, you can do it simply. If you want to change a blending mode to anywhere, so dark and vivid light. I don't want to change the blending mode. Let's look nice. Let's make on another sample just like this. I already make it. See, here I change the blending mode to overlay, but I don't want to change that. For this I simply apply a bad mask. You can apply a better one than me. So let's correct it. So tell me in the comment section below how you like this video and what you guys want to learn more about Photoshop or anything. So we will make the video according to your interest. So till then, keep like, subscribe and give us a good rating as we are growing community. So see you soon guys with new video, new hacks, new solution or something new about traveling. See ya.